If you've never used a steam cleaner before, you might be surprised by just how many things you can clean with one. This handheld steam cleaner was sent over for me to test, and I've been finding new uses for it all around the house. It comes with 12 different attachments, including brushes, extension pieces, and specialty nozzles, so you can switch them out depending on the job. You can use it in the kitchen, the bathroom, on windows, any upholstery, and even mattresses. One thing I really like is how quickly it's ready to use. It heats up in about 3 seconds. You don't have to wait at all. The touch screen is also very nice. You can easily adjust the steam settings with just a tap. So it uses a high pressure steam, and it does a great job loosening built up grease and grime. I especially like using it on a glass shower door just to help remove those stubborn water spots and soap scums. It's also great for cleaning tile grout since the steam gets down into those narrow lines where dirt tends to collect. And you can even use it on furniture to help lift certain stains and freshen up upholstery without soaking the fabric or using harsh cleaning products. It has this nice removable water tank. It makes it easy to refill whenever you need more water. And last but not least, I love that it's compact. It's easy to hold. It's lightweight. It's easy to maneuver. Definitely a great find. And I think every household should have one of these to make your cleaning job much easier.